guys, Gary here from Insentra, and we're here at Anaheim Citrix Summit 2018, and I have Joe from Citrix. Joe, who are you, and what is your current role at Citrix?
Great, thanks Gary, and thanks for having me. So I'm Joe Vaccaro. I run product for Citrix Cloud, as well as driving the new Citrix Workspace experience for how people access everything that they need to be productive.
So I know it's still early at Summit. We're only in the first morning of Summit, and I'm sure there's a lot of announcements that are going to be happening over the next couple of days. But are you able to share some of the announcements, and what's Citrix Cloud's future strategy with Citrix?
Great. Yeah, so Citrix Cloud has now been in the market for a number of years, and really it's kind of grown up from simply a way for people to simplify how they deliver their applications and desktops to now providing the platform that customers as well as partners can use to help to deliver that entire digital workspace, spanning not just application and desktop delivery, but then mobility, file sync and sharing solutions, as well as the networking. But as we think about the next generation of what Citrix Cloud is about, it's not just about having a single place for administrators to go to consume and deliver services. It's been also about how those services work together to improve IT's ability to improve the experience, as well as from the end user standpoint to have the ability to have one place to go. And so as we launch into Summit 2018, we'll really be talking within Citrix Cloud about how within Citrix Cloud you can use the Citrix Workspace experience from an end user to unify that end user experience. You can then tie it together with new Citrix networking services to help improve the experience when those applications are delivered from around the world. And then also how you can then close loop feedback with Citrix Analytics to help understand the user behavior to improve the experience as well as to deliver a better overall security posture.
And are there any announcements that are fresh off the press that you're allowed to share with us?
Well, a couple. I think first off is that the workspace experience, which is something that we've been working on, that was previously discussed at Synergy this year, is now available for all of our XenApp and XenDesktop service customers. It will begin rolling out the workspace experience that can be used as well for our ShareFile customers, NetScaler Gateway customers, as well as the full breadth of Xen Mobile here through Q1. One of the other big announcements that we'll be making is that we'll be rolling out Citrix Cloud not just in the US and EMEA, but also bringing the core platform and services within Citrix Cloud into the Asia Pacific South region here in the first part of 2018.
Excellent. So with the adoption of cloud, from your experience, what are some of the challenges that customers are facing with moving to the cloud?
I think customers look at the cloud as this binary transition within their overall strategy, going from a traditional environment to one day being wholly in the cloud. And that's not practical, realistic, or even the best solution. And I think understanding that what adopting cloud really means, and holistically what are you trying to solve by moving to the cloud, can help change the strategy for how you adopt it. Understanding that cloud is not a place you go to, it's a way to help improve overall the experience and delivery that you can be able to provide. And from a Citrix standpoint, as well as from a partner standpoint, helping our customers understand that ultimately Citrix and Citrix Cloud are here to meet customers wherever they are on that journey, to provide services that help to extend their traditional deployments, help them to embrace those hybrid opportunities, as well as to adopt those turnkey cloud services to solve business problems immediately, provides a kind of a new way of thinking about what does it mean to move to the cloud.
So with the strategy of moving to the cloud, how can partners help more?
When I think about partners, it's really about understanding what is the customer trying to achieve holistically. If you purely look at cloud adoption as, hey, I'm changing from a CapEx to an OpEx model, where I'm moving workloads from on-premises up into the public cloud, I think you're going to see customers have challenge not only in the adoption, but then also the overall performance that they're going to get from it. So as a partner, and as well as Citrix, we need to help empower our customers to think about cloud more holistically, understanding what are the benefits of moving to the cloud in terms of, from an IT perspective, allowing that customer to be able to be more on the forefront of improving the experience for their end users. ultimately, right, within Citrix, we want to empower a way for people to work better, be able to be more productive within their jobs. And as between the partners and Citrix, the cloud can help them to do that, and it allows IT to be able to spend more of their time focused on improving that overall experience rather than just kind of running the back-end operations.
What do you see as key opportunities for 2018 for partners?
Kind of going back to that notion of from a partner standpoint, I think there's a tremendous opportunity within the cloud to be able to drive new solutions and ultimately help solve real customer problems. If we look at the opportunities as simply as, hey, I want to take what a customer's already doing today and move it to the cloud, I think we're missing that opportunity for our partners to begin engaging in those conversations with customers where they can get started adopting cloud services in a much easier manner. They can be able to use cloud services within Citrix Cloud today that just simply allow them to extend what they're already doing, providing, say, health check assessments as a cloud service to just ensure that they're running their Citrix environment in the most optimal manner, leveraging the back aspects, the big data that we've collected over billions of different events to understand what is the optimal configuration. As customers move and begin to get comfortable with that cloud service, I think then the next opportunity is to take what a customer is already doing today and look, well, what are other services that can help expand that digital transformation? You taking an existing ZenF and ZenDesktop customer and helping them to then introduce the mobility services or network services or file sync and share services to help complement that existing ZenF and ZenDesktop application desktop delivery. And then as that customer is now empowered and ready to move forward, transforming the way that they deliver their existing Citrix solutions, and then tying that all together in that Citrix workspace. So it's really understanding as a partner how and where's the right opportunity to move that customer down that path to that next generation digital workspace.
So Synergy's coming up, but so is Summit coming up in 2019. If you gave us 3 words to try and empower our customers and partners to come to the US to these 2 major events, what would they be?
So I would say that the 3 words to think about is energy, opportunity, and commitment. There's a new energy within Citrix and within our partner community as we enter 2018 that is something that is just really exciting. I've been at Citrix now 6 years, and it feels like something that I haven't felt before in terms of the opportunity within the partner community to really help solve real problems for our customers through the cloud, through the workspace, and through analytics and our networking products. And then ultimately it's about commitment. I think we try to demonstrate that Citrix is a partner-first company and that we cannot solve our customer problems without our partners. And the new partner programs that we've announced here at Summit, I think, go to show that Citrix is committed to our partners and our joint partner success.